Want to get cheat sheets, audiobooks, lessons, apps, and much more every month for free? Just click the link in the description to get your free language gifts of the month.
Namaste and welcome to HindiPod101.com. I'm Anuj Khurana and I'm back with yet another video lesson for you. In today's video, I'm going to discuss 5 patterns for the beginners which will help them in sentence making. So let's begin.
मैं खा रहा हूँ. I am eating.
मैं खा रहा हूँ. So मैं is the beginning, खा रहा हूँ is the end, and in between we can fill whatever we are eating. मैं dash खा रहा हूँ. I am eating dash. मैं दोपहर का खाना खा रहा हूँ. मैं दोपहर का खाना खा रहा हूँ. I am eating lunch.
कहाँ है? Where is?
Moving on to the next pattern. If you want to ask about something, then where it is, then this can be the sentence which you can use at multiple sentences for multiple things. Dash कहाँ है? Dash कहाँ है? So कहाँ है is basically where is it. आपका घर कहाँ है? आपका घर कहाँ है? So कहाँ है is where. Where is your home? So the same way if you want to ask about hotel, restaurant, you just need to ask hotel कहाँ है? You can use this sentence in multiple places for multiple things.
मैं dash में रहता हूँ. I live in dash.
Next phrase is मैं, which means me. मैं dash में रहता हूँ. मैं dash is the filler. में रहता हूँ. मैं मुंबई में रहता हूँ. मैं मुंबई में रहता हूँ. I live in Mumbai. So I live in मैं रहता हूँ.
मुझे dash पसंद है. I like.
Another sentence is मुझे dash पसंद है. मुझे means me or I. Dash पसंद है means like it. So मुझे dash पसंद है. I like dash. मुझे फिल्म देखना पसंद है. मुझे फिल्म देखना पसंद है. I like watching movies.
मेरा नाम, my name is.
Simplest, and you will use this many times. मेरा नाम dash है. मेरा नाम अनुज है, which means my name is Anuj. Naam, name. My name is Anuj. मेरा नाम अनुज है. So these are the sentences, phrases which will help you a lot in making multiple sentences. So if you learn these phrases, these sentences, you will learn a lot of different phrases and it will make things easier for you. That's all from this video. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel HindiPod101. If you have any suggestions, any feedback related to this video or any other video, please leave them in the comment section. I'll be back with more such videos. Till then, stay tuned. Take care of yourself. Goodbye. Namaste.
Great work! Don't forget your free language learning downloads. Get free cheat sheets, lessons, and audiobooks every month. Sign up for your premium gifts of the month right now. Just click the link in the description.